could I request that those of you who have not already downloaded the SCL guide, whip out your phones, and the QR code there should take you to the Emerald Bookstore website, from where you can download the free Sprayed Concrete Linings in Soft Ground, a Best Practice Design Guide. So this is the latest in the publications from the BTS Technical Subcommittee. So you can see here the Emerald Publishing Bookstore. You can see there that you can purchase a hardback copy for £55, but I would suggest what you want to do is go to the open access. So you can see there the open access there, and if you go on that PDF, it will just download that to your laptop. You don't need any special software or anything. The EPUB is if you want to do it in a particular e-reader format, but the PDF link will work. If you Google the name of the book, it will take you to somewhere very slightly different, and that will suggest that you download chapter by chapter. There are 17 chapters, so I don't suggest that that be how you go for it. Yeah, you can see there on the right there. So you can get, if you just wanted the list of standards, etc., you could just do that. But I recommend going for the whole thing in one go and giving it a read. Can I ask, has anyone read it yet? One or two hands, excellent. Well, I'm hoping you're finding it useful. I just wanted to also take a moment to thank the team that have authored this book. So Nick Tucker, Ali Nasekian, Brian Lyons, Adrian St. John, Dr. Benoit Jones, Christophe Hervelet, who's here today, and me. We've been working on this book for a really long time, so we're all really glad that this is now published. We also need to thank our peer reviewers, Neil Moss, Frank Mimner, and Mike King. So when I say we've been working on this a long time, the first email that I actually sent on this book was in October 2011. So we started this book in the height of Crossrail. It was supposed to be not just a design guide, but a guide to everything SCL. So all the people writing the construction chapters, the materials chapters, we've beaten you at least, even if it took us a little while to get the design section done. This is probably not advertising joining the technical subcommittee, other than if you do have some free time, would like to contribute to the BTS's programme of sharing knowledge, sharing best practice, please do contact the BTS and join the technical subcommittee. We're working on a number of guides at the moment to segment manufacture. We're updating the I&M guide that everyone, I think, finds really useful. So if you have any time and would like to help us improve our turnaround on guidance, please do get in touch.